Our most valuable resource is our people, our staff, our employees. We've had people work here for 40 years. We constantly try to help them develop their skills, and we constantly try to support them with the best benefits that we can. It's our whole philosophy is to invest in our people.
What I love about Exothermic in the 9 months I've worked here, they give me a chance to succeed. It's a very safe environment. The management's great. They're sending me to school, so they're helping me to improve myself. They're not only interested in improving the company, they're also interested in improving the individual success as well. I love that the company aims for greatness and we achieve greatness in doing what we do at the job.
I started out in the sanding department back in Sand Patch. I'd say it would take me about a half hour to do a 15-minute part. Now I can do a 15-minute part in about 10 minutes. One of the things I like most about Exothermic is that we're treated more like a family than just employees.
The example of growth that's happening, you know, it's a company that's going somewhere. Happy to be part of it.
I've been working for Exothermic for now 39 years. Here at Exothermic is an awesome atmosphere to work with. It's a family atmosphere where people come to work and enjoy what they're doing. This is like a career opportunity for everyone that really likes to do working with their hands and working with plastics and working in the medical field. Different cultures, different backgrounds, different skills that we put together to make an awesome team here at Exothermic.
So what that means for our customers is that we have the ability to provide the highest value products and services in very, very small quantities, which is unique.
Exothermic Molding. Experience, design, freedom.